I think they should tread carefully.
DU Business Ethics and Legal Studies professor John Holcomb has heard the ads and seen them in the papers. Medical marijuana dispensaries are pulling out all the stops to attract business, from radio spots to newspaper ads. Holcomb says media companies need to do some research before taking that revenue.
If you're going to carry their advertisements, it behooves you to do some due diligence to find out if these are some of the legitimate actors or some of the more suspect actors.
Holcomb says there's no legal liability for companies that choose to advertise dispensaries, but he says it's more of an ethical issue. If a dispensary gets caught breaking the law, for example, Holcomb says that could tarnish the company's reputation. Plus, because marijuana is still illegal at the federal level, some consumers may not support that type of advertising.
I think for most of the public, it does raise some concerns that we might be crossing the line ethically when we start to over-promote these things.
Jim Bent of Patient's Choice of Colorado thinks media companies should consider dispensary ads as long as the dispensary's message is delivered in a professional manner.
So I can understand that, especially with everything that's happening, to really maybe do some background checking, so to speak, to make sure that they are who they say they are.
Bent's dispensary advertises in 3 different medical marijuana trade magazines. He spends several $100s a week on the ads. Bent says media outlets shouldn't treat pot dispensary ads any different than companies advertising prescription drugs.
Look to see how much good it's doing. If we can advertise pharmaceutical drugs that 85 to 75% of the ad is side effects, why won't we advertise medical marijuana?